Hello guys, today we are going to review and unbox this i7s TWS earphones. They work on Bluetooth and I've ordered it from eBay. So let's get into the physical overview. This is made up of plastic. It doesn't come with a box. It came directly with this. I was really surprised to see that it really came with this. There are two LEDs right here and there's a button and there's a micro USB port at the back to charge this dock. Basically this dock serves as a battery backup for the earphones. The quality is nice, but this cap doesn't made up of good quality plastic. You can easily break it if you're applying some force. Let's get the earphones out, and there are two pinholes there to charge these earphones. You can just turn it on and off by this, and you just have to turn it on and place these earphones here, and you're good to go. Now they're charging. You can see the red LED. This gives a sign that they are charging. So basically they say that you have to charge it for 2 hours, then they will work for 6 hours. So let's keep this box aside and talk about these earphones. So they are pretty big in size. They will not fit your ears. I don't like this design. They will not fit in your ears. You cannot run, you cannot do workout while, even you cannot even walk while wearing these earphones. There's a huge button here, so they are not actually copying the AirPods. It looks pretty cheap. This is a not metal at the bottom, and the sound quality of these earphones is really bad, guys. There's no bass, there's no treble, midtones are really bad. The only thing good about these earphones is the music loudness. They are pretty loud, but it is distorted, and you will not like this. Out of these, they are supposed to give you a stereo sound out of these two holes, but this is really bad. But loudness is good quality, but I don't think they are worth 700 rupees. So basically we'll review the things based on these aces. I will give aces based on the quality, but I don't think it deserves even one of them. I don't want you guys to waste your money on these. The sound quality is bad, the battery backup is really worse. They only work for like 5 minutes. They are pretty cheap. They are like made up of plastic. They don't deserve your money, man. Guys, if you're in market for a budget headphone, then watch this video. And if you are on a very tight budget of 7 to 800, then do subscribe to the channel. A new video is going to be out very soon on a budget earphone.